Hello, today's November 1st. We're looking at Bear Creek, looking west towards Avondale Road. This is the gravel road that goes to Farrell McGruder Park, and then we're looking at the road as it goes across Avondale, up the hill to Education Hill. You can see the floodplain of Bear Creek, or indications of it. It's incredible. It goes all the way up to this tree here. And this road is the gravel road. I met some environmental consultants, and they said that it certainly looked like the water went over the road, and there's no question that it did. There's erosion. And here you see the widening of the creek. Usually it stops right where that big tree is on the left by the bridge. The bridge was covered with water as well, as you can see by the debris that was brought and dropped on it. And here on the other side of the road is more of the floodplain. You can barely see the water, and it's extensive. This is all floodplain here as we approach Bear Creek. And look at this side here. You can see Bear Creek going south, excuse me. And I'm on the bridge that underneath had a beaver dam at one time, and the city removed it under permit because they were concerned about the fish spawning in September and October. And you can see here how high the water is to the bridge right now, November 1st. Over here we're looking at what used to be an invasive knotweed plant that's very hard to remove. It's all been cut off and then replaced. The Puget Sound Energy enhanced this area with these willow trees and many other trees along the corridor. It's yet to be seen how much sediment will be deposited from the banks as well as the corridor where the trees were removed, quite a few of them. And we'll know about that maybe this summer. And as we go over, let me scan out, you can see an area where Puget Sound Energy enhanced where these trees were removed. You see the brown spots? That's mulch around trees that were planted. And here's the corridor, as you can see, that brings the electricity in. And the road path, the gravel path that takes pedestrians, some horses, and mountain bikes up Education Hill from Avondale. And to finish off, here's the floodplain still. You can see where it went across the road. This grass right here is completely beat down, and the creek went across here. See the grass beaten down, across the road and into the western wetland area of Bear Creek. You can see how high the water got by the debris that was collected at the top of the fencing area. And here's the floodplain. Again, it's very extensive. It goes way back, and it's very amazing.